Question number 10B. The question states here, in the figure given below, area of triangle ABD is 24 square units. So which one is the given triangle, area of the given triangle?
Morning, sir.
Morning. This is the area of the triangle that is given, okay? The one that I've shaded, 24 square units. If AB is equal to 8 units, so this is given to be 8 units, okay? Find the height of triangle ABC. So which one is the height of triangle ABC? This one, right? If we call this point as M. Okay, let me remove the shaded part and then draw it afresh. So now you know which area of which triangle is given and the height of which triangle you have to find out. And this is given to be 8. This is the height that you need to find out, okay? Height of this triangle. So what you must first observe is that these two triangles, that is ABD and ABC, are on the same base BC, right? They are on the same base. They are on this base, right? And also between the same parallel lines, right? That means the area must be equal. So we write area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ABC is equal to 24 square units. Okay. And you will give your reason. Triangles on the same base AB and between which parallel lines? DC.
AB and DC.
Yes, DC parallel to AB, right? So we know the area of triangle ABC. Now, what is the height of triangle ABC? CM. And which one is the base of triangle ABC? It is AB. So also, what is the area of triangle ABC? Half base into height, right? Half. Which one is the base? AB. And which one is the height? CM, right? So half. AB here is given to be 8 and CM we need to calculate. Calculate this. So area of triangle here is 4 into CM, right? And what is the area of triangle ABC we have found out about? 24. So according to our problem, 4 times CM must be equal to 24. So therefore, what is the height? CM? 6 units, right? And that finishes your problem. Okay. Any questions or should I proceed to the next one? Can I proceed to the next one then?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Look at
Yes, sir.
the same question, part C of the same question. That is 10C. If you read this question, 10C, the question states here, in the figure given below, this is the figure that we are talking about, the third figure. Okay, in the figure given below, E and F are midpoints of the sides AB and CD respectively of parallelogram ABCD. Fine, so let's mark in the figure. Okay, so E and F are midpoints, so this must be equal to this, and this must be equal to this. Okay, if the area of parallelogram ABCD is 36 centimeters square, so area of which parallelogram is given? This parallelogram, right? How much is it given? 36 centimeters square. Okay, so you have this is equal to this, this is equal to this, and area of parallelogram ABCD as 36 centimeters square. Let's see what the question is. State the area of triangle APD. Which triangle are we talking about? This. You need to state the area of this triangle. What is the area of this triangle? Area of triangle APD.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So what you did in 10B, I got disconnected from.
Go ahead, see later on and ask me tomorrow, okay? half area. What is the area of triangle APD? If you see triangle APD is on which base? AD, right? And between what parallel lines? This line and this line, isn't it? That means area of triangle APD must be half area of parallelogram ABCD, right? Right or wrong? Half into 36,
Yes, sir.
which is 18 centimeter square. And you will state your reason. Triangle, area of triangle, area of triangle is half that of a parallelogram on the same base. And which one is the base here? AD. And between what parallel lines? And between
AD and BC.
AD parallel to PC or BC also you can say. AD parallel to PC or BC. Okay. So we have found out the area. This answers the first part of your question. Area of triangle APD. What about the second part? Name the parallelogram whose area is equal to triangle APD. Okay, which is the parallelogram that whose area is equal to triangle APD? If you see this parallelogram here, because E and F are midpoints, these two parallelograms have equal area, right? These two parallelograms have equal area, isn't it? So therefore, area of triangle APD must be equal to, you can write either of the name of either of the parallelograms, which is area of parallelogram AEFD is equal to area of parallelogram EBCF is equal to 18 centimeters square, right? They have asked you the one parallelogram. Actually, you can state two. This is one and this is one. Even in your exam, you state any one, you will get your full marks. Okay, because they have only asked you name the parallelogram. Also, only one parallelogram. Clear with this? Let's move to the next question then. Now, the next question here, which I want to do here, is 11A. Now, look at this. In the figure given below, 11A means we are talking about this figure. Okay. In the figure given below, ABCD is a parallelogram, which they have already given. Points P and Q on BC trisect BC into three equal parts. Okay. Now, see, you know what bisect means? You know what bisect means? What do you mean by
Yes,
bisect?
sir.
What does it mean?
So it
Ma'am,
means in this question, BP is equals to PQ is equals to QC.
No, that is okay, but I'm asking you the meaning of bisect. What do you mean by bisect? Bi in English
Divided
means,
sir,
into equal parts.
sir, equal.
yes.
Sir, equal one.
Bi in English
PQ.
means two. So divide into two equal parts. Divide into two
Yes, sir.
equal
Two equal.
parts. Right? When I say trisect, tri in English means three. Right? So this means divide into three equal parts. So if you in the question, if you see, they have said that points P and Q on BC trisect BC. Trisect BC means divide BC into three equal parts. Okay. So this part is equal to this part is equal to this part. Clear with this? Bisect and trisect. Okay. So once we know the meaning of bisect and trisect, so P and Q, so BP must be equal to PQ must be equal to QC. So let's write this here. Given BP is equal to PQ is equal to QC. Okay. You need to prove that area of triangle APQ. APQ is which triangle? This triangle. Area of this triangle plus area of triangle DPQ. And DPQ is which triangle? This triangle. sum of the areas of these two triangles is equal to 1/6 area of the entire parallelogram. Okay. So how do we begin? First, what you realize is this triangle that you see. Can we say this area of this triangle is half of this parallelogram? Entire parallelogram? Can we say area of triangle APD is equal to half area of parallelogram ABCD? Why? Why can we say this? We say
Sir,
this
because it lies on base.
with the same base. This is the base AD and also between the same parallel lines, right? So the parallelogram and triangle lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines, right? Also, not only this triangle, what about this triangle? Lies on the same base, right? And between the same parallel lines. So we can also say also area of triangle AQD AQD is equal to half area of parallelogram ABCD. And what is the reason? Triangle and parallelogram on the same base. Let's write the area of triangle is half. Area of triangle is half that of a parallelogram on the same base. And which one is the base here? AD. And between what parallel lines? AD parallel to BC, right? Fine. So let's call this 1, okay, and let's call this 2. We are going to use this a little later, okay? Okay, next what we realize is, consider this triangle. Consider this triangle. Can we say that the area of this triangle and the area of this triangle, can we say that these two areas are equal? Can we say?
Yes, sir, it is equal because BP is equals to PQ.
Yes, because these two triangles are on equal basis and between the same parallel lines, right? They have the same height, isn't it? We can write area of triangle ABP is equal to area of triangle APQ. Yes, fine. What else can we say? Can we say that the area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle? Can we say?
Yes, sir.
Why?
So it is lying on the same base PQ.
Yes, it is lying on this time. The bases are not equal. This time the base is the same. Area of triangle DPQ. Right? So you see area of ABP is the same as APQ and APQ is the same as DPQ. That means the area of these two triangles are equal, right? Okay. Next, what can you say? Can we say that the area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle? Can we say?
Yes, sir, we can say PQ is equals to QC.
Because the bases are equal, right? And they are between the same parallel lines, right? Area of triangle DPQ is equal to area of triangle DQC, right? And you'll give your reason for all the three. What is the reason? Triangles on the same base or equal bases and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. That means what can I say? ABP is equal to APQ and APQ is equal to DPQ and DPQ is equal to DQC. That means area of all these triangles are equal, right? So how many triangles are we talking about here? We are talking about 3 triangles, isn't it? So we can write, if I say let area of triangle ABP, which is equal to area of triangle APQ, okay, which is equal to area of triangle DPQ. 4 triangles we are talking about actually, right? Area of triangle DQC. Let it be equal to X. Okay, so which triangles have I taken the area equal to X? This triangle is X area. This triangle is also X. This triangle here is also X, and this triangle here is also X, right? So area of the 4 triangles I've taken as X. Then what can we say? What can we say about these? Now, if area of this triangle is X and area of this triangle is X and the area of this triangle is also X, what can we say? X plus area of this triangle is equal to area of the parallelogram. Can we say or not? Tell me. X plus
Sir, can you
X.
explain it once more?
Yes. This triangle is X, right? This triangle here is X, right? And this triangle here is also X. That means, can I say X plus X plus X plus area of this triangle is equal to area of the parallelogram? Can we say?
Yes, sir. We can
Yes.
say.
Then X plus area of triangle APD must be equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. Right? That means we get 3x plus. And what is area of parallelogram triangle APD? It is equal to half of parallelogram ABCD, isn't it? So here I can write half area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. You agree with me? From
Yes,
1.
sir.
From 1. Right? So how much have we got? We have got 3x is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD minus half area of parallelogram ABCD. Right? That means we get 3x is equal to simply half area of parallelogram ABCD. All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means x must be equal to, if you divide both sides by 3, how much will you get? 1 by 6 area of parallelogram ABCD. And but what is x? It is area of triangle ABP,
Triangle APQ.
APQ, DPQ, DQC. And what do you have to prove here in the question? Area of APQ is x, right? Which is equal to DPQ is equal to x, which is equal to 1/6 parallelogram ABCD. So that means you can say area of triangle APQ, area of triangle APQ is equal to area of triangle DPQ is equal to area of 1/6 area of parallelogram ABCD. Yes, this is okay. This is proved. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
fine. So I'll proceed with the next question then. Okay, next question is part C of the same question. Okay, 11C. This is what I want to discuss. Now, if you see on all these questions, what is common? Is there any mathematics involved? Is there too much of mathematics involved in these questions? Simply observation and
No,
common
sir.
sense. And some theorems, the 4 theorems that I give you, only if you remember those theorems, and if you observe a little carefully, all these are very simple. Okay, this powers of observation is required. 11C. In this question, it states ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the figure. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. O is any point on the diagonal AC of the parallelogram. So O here, this point is any point. Okay, it's not necessarily the midpoint. It can be any point in the diagonal AC. Okay. Show that area of triangle AOB. That means you need to show that area of this triangle here is equal to area of triangle AOD is equal to area of this triangle here. Right? Now this is how will you show? If I can, first of all, you start by saying join BD. Okay, join the other diagonal. Okay, so what I do here is, with the help of a straight line, I join B and D, right? Then, and I call this point P. Okay, let P be the point of intersection of the diagonals. Point of intersection of the diagonals AC and BD. Therefore, what can we write? Therefore, AP must be equal to PC, right? Why should AP be equal to PC? And why should BP be equal to PD? Tell me. Because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, isn't it? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means what can I say? P is the midpoint of AC and P is also the midpoint of BD, right? Can I say P is the midpoint of AC and BD? Yes. Okay, now if P is the midpoint of AC, then what can we say? Can we say DP is the median of triangle DAC? Check. Can we say that DP is the median of this triangle if P is the midpoint? See if I can say. Yes, can you say or not? DP is the
Yes,
median
sir.
of triangle ADC, right? And also what can you say? BP is the median of which triangle?
Triangle ACB.
ABC. Yes. BP is the median of triangle ABC, right? And what is the property of median? A median divides the triangle into median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area, isn't it? So that means what can I say? Because DP is the median, I can say area of triangle ADP must be equal to area of triangle DPC. Check the figure and say that I can say this. Just check. I'm talking about this triangle and I'm talking about this triangle. Can we say these area of these two triangles are equal? Because DP is the median?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So similarly, I can also say area of triangle ABP must be equal to area of triangle PBC. And you'll give you a reason. What is the reason? A median of a triangle divides it into two triangles, two congruent triangles, or two triangles of equal area, not congruent, two triangles of equal area, right? Fine. Now now you have to observe what you have to show. That means also, what can I say? Area of triangle, because AC is the diagonal, I can say area of triangle ADC, this triangle, must be equal to area of this triangle. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because the diagonal of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle ABC, because a diagonal of a triangle of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of two congruent triangles. And congruent means equal in area, right? Okay. So this is what we had joined earlier. And now we have area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle ABC. But what is area? What is this triangle made up of? What is ADC made up of? ADC is made up of this triangle and this triangle, right? And these two triangles are equal in area. So can I write area of triangle ADC is equal to twice area of this point I had called P, right? Area of triangle ADP. Can I write? Just check. Can I write area of triangle ADC is equal to twice area of triangle ADP? These two triangles are equal in area.
Yes, sir.
So I can write area of this triangle must be equal to twice area of ADP. And what can I write here? What about this area of triangle ABC? I can write twice area of triangle ABP, right? Can I write? Because these two triangles are also equal in area, isn't it? That means what have I
Yes,
shown
sir.
here? What have I shown here? I have shown that area of triangle ADP is equal to area of triangle ABP, right? That means I have shown, let me redraw this. What I have shown here is that area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle, right? What do I have to show? If you see the question, what do I have to show? I have to show that area of triangle AOB, this triangle, is equal to area of triangle AOD, this triangle. This is what I have to prove, right? But what I have shown till now, that area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. That means uh, if I from to this, now if you consider this triangle here, can I say OP is the median of not this triangle, sorry. If you consider this triangle DOB, if I consider this triangle, can I say OP is the median of this triangle? Is P the midpoint of DB? P is the midpoint of DB, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can say OP is the median of triangle DOB. I can say OP is the median of triangle DOB, right?
Yes, sir.
So since OP is the median of triangle DOB, these two triangles must be equal in area. Area of this triangle must be equal to area of this triangle. That means I can say area of triangle DPO is equal to area of triangle BPO. Triangle BPO, right? So now if I add these two, See now, consider this. Let us call this, have I named this anything earlier? No. So if I call this 1 and if I call this 2 and if I add them, area of triangle ADP plus area of triangle DPO. That means, let me write here, adding 1 and 2 must be equal to area of triangle ABP plus area of triangle BPO, right? If I add the two, now look, area of ADP and DPO, what is it? This was my point P. Area of ADP, this triangle, plus area of DPO. What triangle is it? This triangle, right? Which is AOD. Is equal to, and what about this triangle? What about the other part? In this side, you have ABP and BPO. So ABP is this triangle and BPO is this triangle. That means sum of the areas will be equal to this triangle, equal to area of triangle AOB. Have I proved the result? This is what you needed to prove, right? Area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle AOD. So this is done, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll stop here.